Hello students, you are most welcome in the calculus classes for mathematics and physics. Today I am starting chapter number 3 of 10th class. So hope so students you will like. So keep watching. I am starting the chapter linear equations in two variables. So basic things related to this chapter are wrote on the board. You have to see on the board. First thing as it written on the board, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 or ax plus by equals to d, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and a could not be equals to 0 and b is also could not be equals to 0 and x and y are variables is called a linear equation in two variables, as you studied in last class, 9th class, chapter number 4. So a pair of linear equations in two variables is said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations. For example, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. A system of linear equation is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. A system of linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. So today we'll discuss about the method of solutions. And so what are the method of solutions we will discuss here. And we have so many different methods of solutions, like graphical method, algebraic method. Algebraic method also divide in four categories in four ways: elimination method, substitution method, comparison method and cross multiplication method. So dear students, I'll start today the algebraic method because graphical method is quite lengthy, so it will take much time. So today this is the first video, so I'm starting first only algebraic method. Algebraic method will start first substitution method. So I'm writing the equation. For example, the equation, this is 3x minus 5y is equals to minus 1. So I'm giving, this is the first equation, and second equation is x minus y is equals to minus 1. Look at the board and try to understand. It's very easy method. It is called algebraic method, and algebraic method, that is substitution method. Substitution method. So as you are seeing two equations, pair of linear equations, this is called system of linear equations or simultaneous linear equations. So two equations are there, as we are observing. First equation 3x minus 5y is equals to minus 1, and second equation x minus y is equals to minus 1. As per your facility, as per your understanding, you can choose any one equation out of them. So I am choosing second equation because it is looking quite easy and quite simplified. So I am writing from equation number 2, x minus y equals to minus 1. So I want to take one variable in the form of other. So I want to take the value of y. So I'll take y that side and 1 this side. What will come? X plus 1 equals to y. I want to give, this is third equation. So what did I do? I took the value of y from equation number second. So I'll keep this value in equation number 2. You can take as per your choice, as per your understanding. You can use any one equation in the beginning. And now we took the value of y from equation 1, from equation 2. So I will keep the value of y in equation number 1. So I'll write here from equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 3x minus 5. The value of y is x plus 1 is equals to minus 1. This minus 1. So what we are observing, 3x minus 5x and minus 5 is equals to minus 1. Hope so we understood. I opened this bracket. So 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 1, 5. Here we are observing minus 5x and 3x. So what will come? Minus 2x. I'm sending this minus 5 that side, so it will become positive. So it will be minus 2x is equals to 4. 5 minus 1, 4. And x is equals to 4 upon 2. So what will come? I want to take this negative sign in this manner. So x is equals to minus 2. We found first value of x, that is x is equals to minus 2. Now put the value of x. Put the value of x in equation number 3. So this is the equation number 3. So what we could do, y equals to x plus 1. So value of x is minus 2 and 1. So what will come? Minus 1. So solution of this, so we'll write in this manner solution. I hope you are able to see the things. I am declaring the answer. Solution x is equals to minus 2 and y equals to minus 1. So this is the solution of this equation. I hope you understood the substitution method. I'll take one more example so that you can understand very well. I'll take quite difficult or quite complicated questions so that it will be helpful for you. Question number 2. It is 2x plus y is equals to 35. This is equation number 1. And second equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 65. Equation number 2. This is the same question as we just solved. It was quite easy, simplified, but this is also easy. But some equations is written in some complicated way only. So you, as per your as I described earlier, as per your choice, as per your convenience, as per your understanding, you can take any equations in the beginning, and you can find the value of any variable from the any one of the equation. So again, I am taking from equation. This time I am looking. First equation is quite simplified as compared to second one. So I am taking from equation number 1, it is 2x plus y equals to 35. 2x plus y is equals to 35. So y equals to, we could write 35 minus 2x. I want to give this equation is third. So I want to put the value of y in equation number 2. So this is the equation number 2. So we'll write 3x plus 4, and in the place of y we could write 35 minus 2x is equals to 65. Hope so understanding? Are you understanding? Yes. 4 multiplied by 35 and 4 multiplied by 8. So 4 multiplied by 35, what will come? 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, and 4 3 is 12, and 2 40. Okay, and similar way 4 2 ja 8 and 65. So we are observing here minus 8 and plus 3, so what will come? Minus 10 and plus 3, what will come? Minus 5x, and this 65 minus 140. So what will come? Minus 5x is equals to, here what will come? Here 30 is 140 minus 65, 5, and this is 8. Sorry, 7. So 75 will come, so minus 75. This minus sign is cancelled by this minus sign, so x is equals to 75 upon 5. So what will come? 5 cancel by those 5 with the 5. So what will come? X is equals to 5 3 is 5 with the 5. and 2 carry 5 5 that 25. So what will come? X is equals to 15. We got x is equals to 15. Now put the value of x in equation number 3. So we'll get y is equals to 35 minus 2 into 15. So 35 minus 35. If you want to check your answer is correct or incorrect, you can check by keeping the value of x and y in any one of the equation. That will satisfy the equation. That means your answer is correct. See here, if we are keeping the value of x here, so 2 into 15, what will come? 30, and the value of y is 5, so 30 plus 5, 35. Here also you can keep x is equals to 15, so 5 3 15 3 is 45, and 45 and 4 5 20. 45 plus 20, it will be 65. So that can give your answer, and that means we can say that means it will verify your solution. That means your solution or answer is correct. So hope so you understood the method of substitution to solve the linear equation in two variables. I hope you understood very well. So I am writing 2-3 questions so that you can practice at the home. While having any doubt, you can write your doubt in comment box. I am writing some questions. Note down the question and solve them nicely. I am writing first question.